Yarrow, the versatile wildflower. Nature's yarrow, sign pointing towards wellness and vitality. Welcome to our channel, where we learn about all the great plants out there. Today, we're going to talk about yarrow, or as it's known in science, Achillea mellifolium. Even though it looks like a simple wildflower, yarrow is really good at helping heal, something people have known for a long time. In this video, we'll tell you about yarrow's history, what it's been used for, and how to get the most out of it. Plus, we'll tell you how this old-time plant has kept up in both traditional uses and new scientific studies. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more interesting and helpful videos. Yarrow is a wildflower that is native to many parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, and North America. It is a hardy plant that grows in a variety of environments, from grasslands to forests. Yarrow is known for its delicate fern-like leaves and its clusters of small, white, or yellow flowers. Yarrow is best known for its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, making it a useful natural remedy for a variety of conditions. It has been used for centuries to treat wounds, skin infections, and other types of skin conditions. In addition, yarrow has been shown to have potent antimicrobial properties, making it an effective natural remedy for treating infections and boosting the immune system. Some studies have also shown that yarrow can be effective in reducing inflammation and pain, making it an ideal natural remedy for conditions such as arthritis, gout, and other inflammatory conditions. Yarrow has a long history of use as a natural remedy and has been used for centuries by indigenous people in many parts of the world. In ancient Greece, the great warrior Achilles is said to have used yarrow to treat wounds on the battlefield, giving the plant its scientific name, Achillea mellifolium. In traditional Chinese medicine, yarrow is used to balance the energy in the body and promote overall health and well-being. In addition to its medicinal properties, yarrow has also been used for other purposes, such as for making tea, as a natural insect repellent, and for spiritual purposes. In some cultures, yarrow is believed to have protective properties and is used in rituals and ceremonies to ward off negative energy. Interestingly, yarrow can be used in a variety of ways, including as a tea, tincture, capsule, or topical ointment. To make a tea, simply boil the leaves and flowers of plant in water and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. To make a tincture, soak the leaves and flowers in alcohol for several weeks and then strain out the solids. To use yarrow as a topical ointment, simply apply it directly to the skin. You can also find yarrow in supplement form, in the form of capsules or tablets, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. In recent years, yarrow has been the subject of numerous scientific studies, and its potential as a natural remedy has been explored in detail. Researchers have found that yarrow is an effective anti-inflammatory and antiseptic and is being studied as a potential treatment for conditions such as skin infections and wounds, as well as for boosting the immune system. Did you know that yarrow is also known as nosebleed plant? This name comes from the plant's traditional use as a remedy for nosebleeds, as the leaves and flowers can be used to stop bleeding when applied directly to the skin. Additionally, yarrow is a hardy plant that is easy to grow and forage, making it a great plant for those who are interested in growing their own natural remedies. Yarrow is also a popular ornamental plant and is often used in gardens and wildflower meadows for its delicate, fern-like leaves and its clusters of small, white or yellow flowers. Yarrow is a hardy plant that is easy to grow, making it a great option for those who are interested in growing their own natural remedies. It is best grown in well-drained soil and in a location with plenty of sunlight. If you're looking to forage for yarrow, be sure to look for it in grasslands, meadows, and near streams, as it prefers moist environments. In conclusion, yarrow is a versatile and useful plant that has a long history of use as a natural remedy. Its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties make it an ideal natural remedy for a variety of conditions, and its potential as a natural remedy is being explored in modern scientific research. Whether you're looking to treat skin infections, boost your immune system, or simply enjoy its delicate beauty in your garden, yarrow is a plant worth considering. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on natural remedies and wellness.